Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Tomorrow is 17th Ramzan and there is something very significant that happened in Islamic history on 17th Ramzan. Yes, you guessed it right. That is Battle of Badr. Battle of Badr was fought on 17th Ramzan in 2nd Hijr. The battle was between Muslim army led by Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who were just 313, very meager in number in comparison with the Quraysh army, who were 1,000 in number. And Allah has blessed the Muslim army, who were 313 in number, because of their undeterred faith. So this is not just a battle, but this is a turning point in Islamic history. We all have to commemorate Jang-e-Badr. We have to create an opportunity in our schools and colleges that even the students know the importance of this event, importance of this battle, and how Allah blessed and how Allah's divine help, divine support reached the battlefield because of this unwavering faith. This is the message we need to take from here, and that the message is valid now as well. Muslim Ummah should never feel low. It is the unity and the faith that will actually help us win, inshallah. So what would you do in your school campus? What would you do? You can start with an assembly in which you are talking about Jang-e-Badr and talking about all the factual information related to Jang-e-Badr. If possible, you can show the images of the particular area, okay? And on screen, if you have an AV room, you can actually display it on screen. There are many videos available wherein the child will get an idea of when did Jang-e-Badr take place, what happened actually, and what is the lesson we learn out of it. You can have discussion with the high school students. You can tell the high school students to bring information, Quranic references, and do a little bit of research, and who were the Sahaba in Jang-e-Badr, and all such information you can tell the students to collect and bring, and then you can discuss on that. And what is important is to carry that value in hearts, to carry that value in hearts, and a strong belief that when Allah intends to help, nothing can stop actually. And then the faith, the undeterred faith, the relentless, unwavering faith of the Muslim Ummah, that Allah has shown that miracle can happen when Allah wishes to help us. So we have to take it as a lesson and ensure that in our schools and colleges we do something to help the child understand the importance of Battle of Badr with everything related to it, and come up with his own thinking and enhancement of faith, inshallah. Jazakallah khair.